Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Thief of Cookies. My name is Erin and today I'm drawing some ponies for one of my Secret Santas, and my guinea pigs are incredibly noisy in the background, so you will probably hear them, but I am about to leave town and so I don't really have time to do more than one take or edit them out, so hopefully they're not too distracting. Sorry about that. Anyway, I also happen to be, oh my gosh, quiet, shush. I also happen to be coming down with a cold, so I'm not going to be talking a whole lot. I also just don't have that much to say about these anyway. So this is some drawings that I did as just an extra little gift for a Secret Santa that I did in a pony community that I'm a part of on the internet. I drew my giftie's original character, which is this one that I'm starting with, and then his favorite pony is Twilight Sparkle, so I drew her as well, and then his second favorite is Luna, who I can never resist drawing. I just really like drawing ponies, it's super fun, so this was a really fun little project for me to do. So yeah, there's not a whole lot to say about them though. They're not super detailed or anything, not a whole lot that's special about them. This one, his original character, he hasn't figured out a cutie mark for it, and so that's why he's got the cloak over it. And so I also posed it accordingly, so made sure that the cloak is hiding any sort of cutie mark that might be there. So, but that's all I have to say about that one. The second pony that I decided to draw is Twilight Sparkle, and this one came out kind of weird for me because I kind of started it and it was a little fluke that I kind of hit on this more simple than my usual style for ponies, and I really liked it, and so I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna go with this and see where it goes. And so I kind of started off doing a slightly simpler style than I usually do for ponies, but then I kind of had some trouble constructing the pose and everything, and so I got caught up in that, stopped paying attention to how I had styled the head, and just kind of fell into a lot of my old habits / default habits and styles for drawing ponies, which is kind of a bummer because I really did start off trying for something much more simple and noticeably different. Not a whole lot different from what I usually do, but noticeably different from what I usually do. And then I got down to the tail and I was having fun trying to draw all the different strands and stuff, which I really shouldn't have. That was, I think, my first jump into over detailing it. And then on the wings I went too detailed, and then I could have simplified the shapes of the legs down as well. Probably would have matched a little bit better, but oh well. I don't think it looks too bad, otherwise I would have just redrawn it, but anyway, so it was maybe a little bit disappointing for me, but I still liked how it turned out. It was still fun to draw, and I think it still looks okay. So I did in the middle when I was coloring it, because I was staying up really late to do this one, and I didn't realize how tired I was, and I literally fell asleep. Just dozed off in the middle of coloring, and so when I do the bottom layer of purple for her body color, there's several spots where A, it gets really patchy in the coloring, and B, I go way outside the lines, and that's literally because I was dozing off and had fallen asleep while coloring, and so I ended up taking a break in the middle of coloring so I could take a little nap, but yeah, that was kind of a fun experience. then the third pony that I drew for my Secret Santa is Luna. As I said, I can never resist drawing Luna. It's his second favorite pony as well, so there was a good reason to, but I always have fun drawing her. She's probably my favorite, second favorite of pony, even though I know My Little Pony is so out of fashion these days, whatever, anyway. But there's not a whole lot to say about the Luna drawing. I liked how it came out. I did a lot of default kind of style things and, you know, kept things really simple. I ended up doing a little bit more shading in the Twilight thing because I was trying to make up for the fact that I'd kind of messed up on the design on it, so I don't know, I overshaded it a little bit as well. But Luna and the original character I kept really simple in the coloring, so anyway, yes, I have a cold and it's starting to bug me, so I'm gonna end my voiceover here. There's still plenty more of the video to watch, but I'm gonna sign off. So thank you all so much for watching my video. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I super appreciate it. At some point, I'm going to tell you guys the story of my first art theft, which happened last week, and that was exciting. But that'll be for another video, another time. So anyway, have happy holidays to those of you who celebrate holidays this time of year, and to those of you who do not. Also, I hope you have a happy time. And again, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!